FEG-1 Block 3 Session number 3. Topics to be covered are, we are going to study now about the adverbial clause and the descriptive compositions. So first we'll start with adverbial clause. Now what is an adverbial clause? An adverbial clause is a subordinate clause used to modify a verb, adjective or adverb in the main clause. Now every adverb clause is introduced by a subordinating conjunction. Now how we do it? I'll show you the examples for that. An adverb clause tells when, where, why, how, to what extent or how much about the word it modifies. Now, adverbial clause modifying verbs. Now, how it is done? Let's see the examples. We left the bicycle where we had found it. We left the bicycle where? So, where is the adverbial clause which is modifying the verb. When the rain began, we were 6 miles from home. Now when? I could hardly hold my head up because I was so sleepy. Why I could not hold my head high? Because I was so sleepy. So these are the examples of adverbial clause. Now adverbial clause modifying adjectives. Now we will see some examples where adverbial clause is modifying adjectives. Now let's see this example. Bob is taller than any other boy I know. Now to what extent? Again, modifying adjective, that is taller. The public library is bigger than it used to be. How much? How much is adverbial clause modifying bigger? That is adjective. That is a very nice person. Very. And how much? So see the relation. The dog is extremely hyperactive. How much? Adverbial clause is how much? And extremely is adjective. So this is how we define adverbial clause which are modifying adjectives. Now adverbial clauses modifying an adverb. Let's see the examples. Ferguson ran faster than the other track stars did. Again, faster is adverb. And how much? Adverbial clause. She sings quite beautifully. How much? Quite. Quite again is adverb. My dog is almost always starving. Almost. So see, these are the examples where adverbial clauses are modifying an adverb. Now some more examples. See on the screen, I'll show you some more examples are there. When I delivered the newspaper, I saw Mrs. Simpson at the window. Because that clerk was so helpful, I praised her to the store manager. Why? Because it was so helpful. You may play outside until it's dark. The condition is there. You may play until it's dark. Now another example. Vince becomes nervous when he speaks in public. He becomes nervous when? When he speaks in public. A crow attacked your cat while I was waiting for the bus. Now when? Answer of when is while I was waiting for the bus. Every time time he cracked a joke, the punters roared with laughter. When? When every time he cracked a joke. That dog is walking around like he owns the place. How? The answer of how. She is acting as if she has stolen something. How is she acting? As if she has stolen something. Now, subordination. Subordination using adverb clauses in one way to communicate relationship between ideas. How it is done? Adverb clauses begin with a subordinating conjunction, also called a signal word, and include a subject and a verb. Now, some common subordinating conjunctions are after, before, so, that, although, even, if, though, as, even, though, unless. Now, if you use these conjunctions in the sentences, you'll be able to understand the relationship. After the train left the station, I reached at the station. Although I am tired, but I am going to finish the work. Even if you will not talk to me, I will not finish my work. So, these are some examples using these common subordinating conjunctions. Now, some common rules. What are these common rules? Now, introductory adverbial clauses are set off from the main sentence by a comma. Now, see the example. After I go to the store, I will be coming straight home. Now, adverbial clause that follow the main idea are usually not set off with commas. Example, I will be coming straight home after I go to the store. Now, see the difference here. These are the common rules. Now, the next topic to be covered is describe. Picture description. There are two pictures in front of you. And if you will be asked to describe the picture, what all things you are supposed to describe? What all you see, you describe. In like your descriptive essay you are writing, where you have to give an introduction, a body of the essay and the end. So the picture writing is there, or the description, any description. So this is the picture where we can see the street lights, picture of a street. It seems to be a picture of a street where street lights are there. There are trees around with multicolors, flowers or multicolors, balloons or some kind of decoration is there. Then two benches are there, and we can see in this picture a couple is standing on the middle of the road. There seems to be a street or a road going, and it seems to be a picture of night time because the lights, street lights are there. So that shows it's a picture of a night time picture is there. Two people are standing on the road. They are talking to each other, or they are walking and talking, and two benches may be planning to sit on the bench. So this is about this picture. Now the second picture, we can see one tent is there. Outside the tent there are woods, the fire is there. Then small hills, clouds, the birds, little bit of greenery and little bit of water. Water body can also be seen on this picture. Two shoes are hung from a post and one arrow shows the direction. So this is all about the picture. Maybe it seems to be a campsite where campfire is being lit. People may be staying inside the tent. It could be a camping tent also, and some kind of trees are also we can see in this picture. So this is all about the description of the picture. So this is picture description. This is all about today's session. Thank you.